Hi, my name is Claire Brakel, and I serve as the Online Student Support Specialist with Eastern Iowa Community Colleges. We're going to go over how to find your course schedule online, as well as how to use your schedule to get textbooks. I'm going to share my screen to walk you through each of these steps. First, you will need to visit eicc.edu, our main website. Once there, you will need to get onto EICC Connect in order to locate your schedule. From this navigation bar, you will click on the farthest right-hand option. Once there, you will enter your username and password. If you need any assistance with accessing your login, the help desk contact information is located on that sign-in screen. Once you get into EICC Connect here, you will scroll down to your important links section. Once you get to your important links, click on self-service to get to your schedule. As you can see, I needed to log in. Now here is self-service. Down in the middle is student planning. That's where you'll find your schedule. This first screen here lists my fall 2022 schedule. However, the course information here isn't enough in order to locate your textbooks. So you will need to go into Go to Plan and Schedule for that information. Once you click on it, you can find the needed information two separate ways. One is simply by looking through the sections here on the right-hand side of your screen. The other way is to print your schedule. It will pop up in an additional screen. When I click that, I see my schedule here with the necessary information listed in course title in order to order my textbooks. If you prefer to use one of our on-campus bookstores, you can simply print this out and bring it to the bookstore. However, if you'd like to locate this information online and order online, you can do so. Go to our bookstore webpage, which is eiccbookstore.bncollege.com. Once you've gotten there, click onto Course Materials and Textbooks, and then find Course Materials. You may want to jump right into selecting your terms or other information to get your textbook. However, as you can see, I can't make any selections until I've chosen my campus. My course schedule was located at the Muscatine campus, so that's the one I'll choose. As soon as you make that selection, then you can start making other selections for your courses. First is the term, which is this upcoming term, fall 2022. Department refers to that very first three-letter code in your course schedule. So for example, ENG for my English composition course. I can type that in or scroll down and then make the selection from the drop-down menu. Course number then is that next number following ENG, 105. I make that selection. Then the section number is what can be sometimes difficult. This following code, MLL05, is not used for course textbook selection, but rather this 6-number code here is the section number. So I'm going to copy that and then put it into the section here. Gives me the option to select that. Now, if I wanted to include all of my books here, I could do that and retrieve materials all at one time. But for the purposes of this video, I'll just retrieve videos so you can see this option. This is a good example because this course textbook allows digital content within Canvas, meaning that you don't need to order a physical copy of the textbook. It will all be in your Canvas course shell. However, you are more than welcome to opt out of that option if that doesn't suit your preferences and order the textbook as you see down here. I hope that is helpful in helping you navigate the important resources of your schedule and course selection. Have a great semester.